How to fix unable to check for update error on iPhone. If you are having this issue constantly, then to solve this issue, this video is for you. First of all, what you need to do is launch your settings on your device. From here, go through the screen time and scroll down there. You will see content and privacy restriction, turn it off. Once you turn it off, go back to the settings homepage. There you will see general, tap on that. Now check for VPN and device management. Make sure that no VPN is connected to your device. Once you check that, go to the iPhone storage and make sure that you have enough storage in your device. Once you check all of this and your problem is still not solved, then go to transfer reset iPhone and reset all of your settings. Once you do that, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.